Whew. So here's a challenge on this beautiful Monday morning. We have a beautiful home in Springfield, Virginia. It has a unique problem. There's a back grade, so sewer going downhill. There's a back grade on the inside of the house, inside the basement. And right around here, on the outside of the wall, it's separated, and the pipe that exits the house is lower than the pipe that is inside the house. So the biggest concern is getting this fixed without tearing all this up. It's a beautiful concrete driveway. With that being said, we're gonna do a combination of things. Digging inside to rectify the grade, and then a trenchless technologies pipe burst on the outside to salvage the driveway. Wonderful. Back to business. Let's have fun.